Hello everyone, so I am back with another video about the best drone for photography you can buy on Amazon. Subscribing to our channel and pressing the bell icon will give you access to more interesting videos. The following list is based on my personal opinion and research and is ranked based on quality, features and pricing. Check out the links in the description below for updated pricing and more information on the products mentioned. Hey there, drone enthusiasts! Have you ever wished you could soar above breathtaking landscapes and capture stunning images that tell a story? Today, we're diving into the world of the best drones for photography, where the sky's the limit. If you're tired of blurry shots and limited angles, stick around as we unveil some incredible options that'll elevate your photography game. And don't forget, the best deals are just a click away in the description below. Let's embark on this aerial adventure together. Trust me, you won't want to miss out. A video guide has been prepared to help you choose the best drone for photography. Let's begin. On number 5 is Potensic ATOM 3. The Potensic ATOM 3 is an impressive, lightweight drone that punches well above its weight, especially for those looking for the best drone for photography. Weighing less than 249 g, it doesn't require FAA registration, making it perfect for on-the-go adventures. Despite its compact size, it boasts a 12MP camera capable of 4K video and a rock-steady 3-axis gimbal that ensures smooth footage even in windy conditions. With a 6 km transmission range and intelligent features like QuickShots and Visual Tracking, it gives you creative freedom to capture stunning aerial shots. Ideal for both beginners and seasoned pilots, its easy controls and auto-return feature ensure safe and confident flying. At just $359.99, the Potensic ATOM 3 is a stellar choice for those wanting a high-quality drone without breaking the bank. On number 4 is Holystone HS600. The Holystone HS600, priced at $369.99, is a game-changer for drone photography enthusiasts. With its impressive 4K camera, 2-axis gimbal, and EIS stabilization, it delivers smooth, high-quality footage even in windy conditions, thanks to its robust wind resistance and powerful brushless motors. The 10,000-foot transmission range and GPS intelligence, including features like intelligent return to home, make it incredibly reliable and easy to use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced drone pilot, the HS600 stands out as one of the best drones for photography, offering exceptional performance, portability, and ease of use at a competitive price. On number 3 is PLEGBLE brushless motor drone. The PLEGBLE brushless motor drone, priced at just $129.99, is an absolute game-changer for anyone looking for a top-notch drone for photography. With its stunning 4K UHD camera, 120 degrees wide-angle lens, and 90 degrees adjustable view, it delivers crisp, cinematic shots from any angle. Thanks to its brushless motor, the drone offers exceptional stability, wind resistance, and longer lifespan, making it perfect for capturing smooth footage in any weather. Plus, with up to 45 minutes of flight time on a single charge, you'll have plenty of time to explore and capture breathtaking scenes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, its intelligent features like one-key takeoff and height maintenance make flying easy and fun. At this price point, it's hands down one of the best drones for photography available. On number 2 is Specta Mini GPS. The Specta Mini GPS is a game-changing drone for anyone looking to capture stunning 4K aerial shots without the hefty price tag. Weighing less than 249 g, it's FAA registration-free and incredibly portable, making it perfect for photographers on the go. The 3-axis gimbal ensures stable footage even in windy conditions, and with a 32,800-foot control range, you have the freedom to explore further. The 31-minute battery life and quick shot features make it beginner-friendly yet powerful enough for seasoned drone enthusiasts. At just $269, it offers an exceptional value for anyone looking for the best drone for photography on a budget. Now moving to the last one is Holystone HS720R. Looking for a drone that delivers professional-level shots without a professional price tag? The Holystone HS720R might be just what you need. With its 4K EIS camera and 3-axis gimbal, it delivers smooth, stable footage, even during fast movements. You can capture stunning 3840x2160p photos and 4K videos at 30 frames per second, making it one of the best drones for photography at this price point. What really sets this drone apart is its impressive 10,000 feet transmission range, giving you the freedom to explore without losing signal. Plus, the advanced GPS system ensures a smooth, confident flying experience with auto-return functions in case of low battery or signal loss. Whether you're a beginner or an expert, the Holy Stone HS720R is easy to control and perfect for cinematic shots. At just 26 minutes of flight time, it's a solid performer for capturing breathtaking aerial footage. So guys, this was the video about the best drone for photography. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button, tell us in the comment section about which one you like the most, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you.